biggest takeaway for me is that in the finding of the right solution, for the connected aircraft concept with customers will need to involve a lot of discussions, a lot of interactive discussions. I think it became very clear that requirements are very varied and nobody is exactly sure as to what it means even for themselves. So I think the key for me is to foster that spirit of collaboration between ourselves and our customers to make sure that we co-develop this concept together. So that for me it's the biggest takeaway, is that nobody's going to come up with an answer by themselves. It needs to be a collaborative effort.
I learned a lot from this seminar, because we are transitioning from an older version of flight planning to the new SITAONAIR server.
Oh, my greatest takeaway is the business opportunities that we can have with all the messaging from the aircrafts, especially the connected aircraft, so things that we can do during the flight that today we don't. So there are some business opportunities.
Cuban food, Miami was great. But actually the favorite part of the conference was really the demonstrations. I think having the demos and having time to look at the actual product that SITA is producing is excellent, especially from the user standpoint.
My favorite thing was, I think, the AWAS. It was very interesting. We had the opportunity to see a light demo about the tool. We currently don't have that type of tool in our airline, but I think it's a very interesting tool and we definitely want to learn more about it.
No, absolutely, and to be honest with you, I mean, I have great ambitions for this type of event. I mean, we got a great turnout. Most of the major customers are here. Most people appreciate it. But I have great ambitions for it in the sense that as we are broadening, our views on the market, our portfolio, we want to generate even more interest. So I have great ambitions that in a few years' time we're going to have more people. But it's not only the size, it's the size of the crowd, it's the breadth of the topics that we'll be able to cover with the crowd. So for me, this year marks, in a way, hopefully a stepping stone towards something even greater for this event to become over time.